Hello friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add 1 pound, about 450 grams of ground beef to the skillet. I opted for 93% lean, which is lower in fat than the regular kind. You can also substitute ground turkey or chicken if you prefer. Give it a light sprinkle of salt and pepper. We're making a one-skillet, weeknight-friendly meal with ground beef, crisp cabbage, and bold flavors. Stick around, this one's going to be a favorite. Cook and crumble until browned, about 8 minutes. Take a small head of cabbage and roughly chop it into bite-sized pieces, about 6 cups. Cabbage gives our dish a nice crunch and flavor. I love using it in my meals because it's low in calories but high in nutrients, perfect for healthy weeknight meals. It's full of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber to support your immune system and digestion. Cooking cabbage can reduce some vitamin C, but it actually boosts certain antioxidants that support your overall health. Our ground beef is perfectly browned. I use pretty lean meat, so it hasn't released much fat. But if yours does, just drain the excess. Now, add 3/4 cup of your favorite chunky salsa. I'm using medium spicy. Sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Give everything a good stir to coat the beef evenly. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your city or country in the comments. It warms my heart and brightens my day to see people from all over the world enjoying my recipes. Time to add the cabbage. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and pepper. But be careful, the meat is seasoned and the salsa is already salty. When serving, set out small bowls of toppings so everyone can personalize their meal. Our top picks include green onions, avocado, sour cream, black olives, red onion, or fresh tomato salsa. And a squeeze of fresh lime brings it all together. Add a half cup of cooked beans. Black beans are best if you have them, since they add a nice color contrast. Add a tablespoon of water to help everything cook evenly. Now, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the skillet. Let it simmer for about 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the cabbage is tender. Let me know what you think of my recipes. And if you enjoyed this one, giving it a like and sharing really helps out. Your kind support is always so appreciated. After 12 minutes, the cabbage is tender but still crisp, and the sauce has thickened nicely. Now, turn the heat off. Scatter about 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella over the top. For equally tasty results, try other cheeses like cheddar, Monterey Jack, pepper jack, or a Mexican blend. Then cover and let the cheese melt with the heat turned off. Chop some fresh cilantro for topping, or swap it with green onions or chives if you prefer. The cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. I hope you give this Cabbage Taco Skillet a try. It's low carb and keto friendly. And it's a hit with both kids and adults. It's the best flavor combination, and the smell is absolutely irresistible. Subscribe and join me for more easy, delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.